So there's definitely no error coming from the hardware components, but maybe the sensor is being told to trip at different times because there's so many additional flashing lights in an arcade. And to investigate that, we looked at the signal data from the sensor, which looked really noisy and low like this, until you see a spike in intensity every time the light would come around, which is when the delay countdown would start. Because we had such a narrow field of view on the sensor, when we compared the time between each of the peaks, it was also precise down to the millisecond. So light pollution wasn't the issue either. With this in mind, I headed to a different arcade with some family friends and their kids to see if things would be any different. And we did win a few jackpots. But for the most part, once again, we would alternate missing by one light on either side of the jackpot without making any adjustments to my machine, which, as a reminder, can repeatedly hit the same mark within 1/12 of a hummingbird wing flap. And so at this point, it was pretty